Jane is a people development partner for Chwarae Teg and is a tutor on our ILM Institute of Leadership and Management programmes. Having attended a number of Jane's classroom-based sessions for our ILM Team Leader Award, I've seen firsthand just how much of a difference she makes to their confidence. I myself, having gone to one of her sessions, come out of the class thinking that literally I could do anything in my career, which gave me a real boost. Jane really works really well with learners and makes them realise that what they actually do in the workplace is very much worthwhile and they can push on and pursue promotions in their careers.
People are always capable of far more than they think they are. And I see it as my role to find that in them and to be able to draw it out. And I think a big part of that is that groups in any learning environment help each other. And if you can get them to see a common goal where they can support each other and all cross the finish line, whatever that finish line happens to be, together, I think people in that kind of environment learn as much from one another as they do from the content of the course.
Jane is very passionate about feminism as well and improving the workplace position for females, and she really does support them in class to set goals and plan their way forward, which I think is just unique really. Like I say, people come to Jane's sessions often thinking, oh, I'm here for a management training session, and they go away thinking that they can be the highest position that they possibly can be.
Women on average in Europe earn 16% less than men, and that lack of diversity is holding back our economy, but more importantly it's holding back the lives of those individual women. So having that commitment to their own education and ongoing progress is something I think is vital. And a lot of the times, all it needs is someone to say, you know what, you could do more than you're doing. Because women are talented. No more talented than men, but just differently talented. And they need to be recognised for that. And they need to be paid and promoted.
Well done, Jane. I'm absolutely delighted you've won the award. It is absolutely brilliant. You've made such a difference to our learners and you've turned the lives around of quite a lot of them, and we are absolutely delighted that you've been recognised in this way.
I think it's amazing. I've never won an award like this before, so I'm incredibly excited. I think it's just fantastic. And I feel very, very, very touched that I have. It's wonderful.